Hey everybody, so today we're just going to be talking about writing linear equations. This is supposed to help you doing that work for your capstone. So we're going to be looking specifically at how to write linear equations for the return on investment for various careers. So our first example that we have right here is Joe is an interpreter. His bachelor's degree cost him $62,000 and he earns $51,830 net salary each year. So he already went in, put his gross salary into a calculator, found out what his net salary was going to be after taxes. And we're going to write an equation to represent the return on investment for Joe's education. Now for this, we're not going to do anything super complicated. We're just going to write a simple linear equation. And as a reminder, slope-intercept form for linear equations is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. In this situation, the slope, and in any situation, the slope is just what repeats over time. So slope is going to happen over and over and over and over every year, every month, every day, every hour, however often it is. And the y-intercept is what happens just one time. And we think of that as like our starting point. So in this instance, the thing that's repeating over and over is Joe is going to just keep earning $51,830 every year. So we can say our slope is $51,830. Our y-intercept is the thing that happened one time. Well, he just went to college one time. That cost him $62,000. Since it cost him that, he's starting out in debt. So his B is going to be negative 62,000 because that's where he's starting. And then we just put it all together. So instead of M, we're going to write 51,830. Instead of B, we're going to write negative 62,000. And so our equation ends up being y equals 51,830x subtract 62,000. For our second example here, we have Jessica, who is a civil engineer. Her bachelor's degree cost her $63,000, and she earns $87,060 net salary each year. We're going to write an equation, so same thing, y equals mx plus b, m is our slope, b is our y-intercept. In this situation, so what is repeating? And what's repeating is her net salary, $87,060, and the y-intercept, our starting point, is going to be negative 63,000. Make sure that it's negative because it's costing her money. And then we're just putting it all together. So what do we get when we put these two together? That's y equals 87,060x subtract 63,000. You can try this one on your own and let me know if you have any questions. See you soon.